Hello children, welcome to English class. Children, we are in block 22, cause and effect. Lesson number 4 is connecting sentences with so. Keywords are so, gave, brought, felt, got, went, heard, drank, take. Yes children, if you see the box here children, I have written here cause, effect. I studied hard. Okay children, so I got good grades. We are joining the sentence with so children. I studied hard, so I got good grades. Okay children, the word so joins two sentences. The sentence after the word so tells us the effect. The sentence before the word so tells us why that effect happened. It tells us the cause. For example, we can say, I studied hard, so I got good grades. In this example, I studied hard is the cause. Okay, and getting good grades is the effect. What would happen if we did not have the word so in the sentence? How would the meaning change? The word so connects two sentences. It helps us to know why things happen. Without the word so, we will have two different sentences which may not connect to each other. Okay children, now I am removing this so. I studied hard, I got good grades. So these are two different sentences. If we add so, then I studied hard, so I got good grades. If you study hard, then only you will get the good grades for children. If you work hard, then only you will get what you want. So before so sentence, what is that? That is cause. After so also we are having a sentence here, no, that is effect. Okay children, till here clear? Children, now all of you all open your workbook children. Write the date here. Okay children. S for connecting sentences with so. First bit, look at the picture. Answer the following questions. Here you have to see the picture children here. Okay. First A bit, what happened? We have to write here answer. B bit, why did it happen? C bit, write the event in one sentence using the word so. Yes children, if you see in the picture, okay, a man is running. Here bees are there children, honey bees. Okay. If you see here, he is hitting an arrow children. Okay, so what happened? The bees were after the man. Why did it happen? The man hit the beehive with an arrow. The man hit the beehive with an arrow. See children here, this is beehive. Write the event in one sentence using the word so. So how we are going to write children? The man hit the beehive with an arrow, so the bees were after him. Clear children? Now come to the second question. Write what happened and why it happened for each sentence. Zeba forgot to get her diary, so she could not copy the homework. Now we have to write what happened. What happened? Zeba could not copy the homework. Okay, why did it happen? Zeba forgot to get her diary. Like that we have to write. Okay, the cat split the milk on the floor, so daddy mopped the floor. We have to write here. Okay children, these two answers I will write and I will show you. Yes children, Zeba could not copy the homework. Zeba forgot to get her diary. Okay children, now here what happened? Daddy mopped the floor. Why it happened? The cat spilled the milk on the floor. Okay children, now question number 3. Raj did not come on time, so we left without him. Why did they leave without Raj? Because he didn't come on time. Which part of the sentence tell us that? Okay, so first part of the sentence will tell us that. I will give you the answers children. Yes children, they left without Raj because he was late. Okay children, Which part of the sentence tells us that? The part of the sentence before so, okay, tells us that he did not come on time. Okay, write your workbook neatly, children.